UFC Freedom 250 just ended and Ilya Topuria got the beatings and this is the greatest card ever. जस्टिन गेची ने इलिया तोपुरिया को निंजा टर्टल बना दिया मार मार के. Let's discuss about this fight and just let's not talk about Islam and Khabib. हम लोग इसको बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे इसी वीडियो में. Let's talk about the fight. इलिया तोपुरिया वर्सेस जस्टिन गेची. जस्टिन गेची इलिया तोपुरिया को क्विट करा दिया राउंड 4 में. ही मेड हिम, जो लॉन में बहुत सारा सर्कुलेट हो रहा था ना बातें कि एलियन है एंड सीक्रेट सोसाइटी के लोग हैं, जस्टिन गेची ने इलिया तोपुरिया को वही बना दिया. एंड जोक्स अपार्ट गाइस, जस्टिन गेची पुट द बीटिंग्स ऑन इलिया तोपुरिया एंड ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट इलिया तोपुरिया ईगो फाइट कर रहा था इलिया तोपुरिया एंड ही गॉट हम्बल्ड really bad and their fans as well, man. A lot of people are just trash talking me कि you just hate Ilya Topuria. I don't hate Ilya Topuria. I like him, but the way उसका fan trash talk करते हैं, I'm like really I'm satisfied, you know. Humble pie serve हो गया है Ilya Topuria को and he made him look like an ugly clown and Ninja Turtle literally Ilya Topuria लग रहा है. Let's jokes apart, let's discuss about the fight. First round में Ilya Topuria को जस्टिन गेची ने जैब लैंड करा एंड जस्टिन गेची हैड अ रियली ग्रेट गेम प्लान. जैसे क्लोज रेंज में इलिया तोपुरिया आ रहा था, ही वाज ग्रैबिंग सिंगल लेग और व्हाट डू कॉल इट एंड अपर कट थ्रो कर रहा था. लाइक क्लीन गेम प्लान, ग्रेट गेम प्लान. एंड इलिया तोपुरिया उसके पास कोई ये था नहीं, ही वाज ईगो फाइटिंग, ही विल नॉक हिम आउट. जस्टिन गेची हार्डेस्ट हिटिंग है, खबीब ने बोला, चार्ल्स ओलिवेरा, डस्टिन पोरिया, everybody told that guy is the hardest hitting, but Ilya Topuria thought कि वो walk down करेगा and he'll beat Justin Gaethje. No doubt Justin Gaethje को body shots उसने drop किया second round में and like he fumbled, like he would have wrestled that fight पर wrestling कर नहीं पाया and Ilya Topuria got destroyed. His face was complete mess. He's looking ugly, and he quit on his stool. Let's just put it that way. It was not a doctor stoppage. He quit because जो knee fourth round में last में land किया जस्टिन गेची ने, it was nasty. I thought like he broke his ribs and he quit because he just wanted to go out of the octagon, man. It was a complete embarrassment. उसने what do you call it? एक दिन पहले पार्टी सेलिब्रेट करी थी and he got humiliated and humbled really bad in this fight. second round में he dropped Justin Gaethje and body triangle लगा के रखा ना, reverse arm triangle लगा रहा था, नहीं हुआ. and third round में Justin Gaethje dropped him with the tap left hook right hand down the pipe and cracked him bad. Ilya Topuria was destroyed. He has no answer. And just think about how great Khabib Nurmagomedov is. He beat Justin Gaethje, prime Gaethje, and Topuria can't beat the 38 years old Justin Gaethje. And he talk about he'll beat Islam Makhachev, Khabib Nurmagomedov. Fuck you, bro. He got served humble pie really bad, really quick. And yeah, man, that's what it is. If you cocky kitne bhi aap ho sakte ho, and Justin Gaethje is a master of dirty boxing and he did it. He cracked him really bad. Right hand land ho raha tha all day, stepping jabs. Justin Gaethje is a master of dirty boxing. Jokes apart, Justin Gaethje का बहुत अच्छा performance था, and this is what overconfidence does, man. Like he got paid because he thought like he'll put Justin Gaethje away, but Justin Gaethje will be there क्योंकि Justin Gaethje का चिन्ह बुरा नहीं है. And I told every fucking one, Justin Gaethje is a defensive boxer. ठीक है, वो open तब करता है when he wants to land something on you. And Ilya Topuria thought like he's some Charles Oliveira, land and put him out cold. Ilya Topuria was overrated. I always told you guys, he's very hittable. He like बहुत shots लेता है damage, and कोई भी इंसान उसके ऊपर damage inflict करेगा, they'll put him, TKO him, KO him, or maybe he lost to the decision. कोई मेरे को नहीं बोल रहा था. He was like, you are trash talker, you are Ilya's hater. No, I'm not Ilya's hater, bro. Tell me something now, bro. What the fuck happened to you guys? Tell me something now. And yeah, man, Justin Gaethje beat the brakes out of Ilya Topuria in round 4. Second round में थोड़ा बहुत damage लिया and Justin Gaethje completely destroyed Ilya Topuria. And I love to see that. He served humble pie. I'm not rage baiting Ilya Topuria. He'll come back stronger from this. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा cocky हो गया था Ilya Topuria. He got the really ज़्यादा confidence, which I think it's same with Khamzat. दोनों को serve होना बहुत ज़रूरी था. He'll come back stronger, and I feel he will. And I wish he will. और Islam Makhachev से fight करने वाला, Islam Makhachev would have destroyed Ilya Topuria. In welterweight तो forget about it. In lightweight, जिस तरीके से Justin Gaethje clinch कर रहा था, Islam Makhachev thigh clinch, thigh collar से land, bang knee and he'll put you out cold. Ilya Topuria, Islam Makhachev is on another level. Just don't compare with Ilya Topuria. और Khabib Nurmagomedov को लोग बोल रहे थे, bro. What now? What else you want, guys? What else you want? I don't know. I'm not rage baiting you guys. I understand it's a humble pie served to you guys. Eat it, and it will be pain a little bit. I'm also a little bit, saw complete destroyed face of Ilya Tupuria, and he quit on his stool. यही होता है when you are cocky and somebody will put pressure and beat the brakes out of you. Then अभी जस्टिन गेची ने इंटरव्यू दिया, बोला कि he's a pretty boy, he just don't want कोई कट अपने ऊपर, and उसके ऊपर कट आया and he was complete like touching it every time, and जस्टिन गेची ने फर्स्ट राउंड में कर दिया था. What do you guys really think? मेरे को कमेंट करके बताना, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe my channel. And yeah man, the pretty boy Ilya Tupuria got destroyed by Justin Gaethje. And कैसा लगा आप लोगों को ये फाइट कार्ड? मेरे को तो खतरनाक फाइट कार्ड लगा. मेरे को कमेंट करके बताना. If you like MMA in India, subscribe. Peace.